Yo, you packing, homie? What you got in that bag? I'll tell you what, I'm packing heat. And I'm not talking about a pistol in your... No, we're not putting glove warmers in. No, I'm not talking about that pee you took the other day that burned because we literally... What's in your bag? Your FPV bag. What you packing? What do you bring with you on a daily? All right, how about today? I'm gonna show you what I'm packing in my bag. Welcome back to AG... Oh. All right, so bag number one. This is my freestyle pack. This thing's... This thing... All right, let me show you what's in it. This one, I'm using the Rotor Riot, I don't know, like Rip and Dip or something like that. It's got a cool pocket. Let's look what's inside of it. All right, so on this top one, zips open. I keep my radio, my modules, you know. And in the front pouch, I keep a couple necessities. Bring your computer in case you got to do something. Oh, most importantly, bring a good comic book. Now I'm on the new Dazzler reboot. It's kind of fire. And then on the inside, I got all the necessities. You and me, a game of... Oh, no, how'd that get in there? Got my goggle pouch right here. I keep spare props right here. Got a charger right here. Keep my bats right here. Tools, ND filters. They're like spare parts, more ND filters. This is like some extra shit. I got a GoPro, my spare DJI antenna. Still works though. In my side pockets, I keep a little fire extinguisher, you know, some USB cords. Always keep some stickers that you're never gonna use. What else is in here? Dang, I've been looking for that. Yes. And my other pocket, I keep my computer charger. All right, so I got another bag. This is my Tiny Whoop bag right here. Kind of like made myself, but I'll show you what's in this one. All right, so for my Tiny Whoop bag, I use this dank RDQ bag. The best bang for your buck. So cheap, so effective. All right, so let's look in the front pack. That's where I keep my charger. Kind of hard to fit it in there, but it works. And then if we go into the main pouch, we have my radio, Fat Shark Gogglies. Oh, this is sick. So shout out to homie Spinister for making this.
Nick, tell us your best dad joke.
It's a cool little battery thing. You can check your batteries. I see, it's telling me things. And then in this box right here, this sick custom full send box. Shout out Chris. Keep my quads, some props, some motors, another quad, another motor. Yeah, whoop bag. And then my third pack, it's really not a pack. It's more like a case. I call it the DJ Apple. I call it the, it's like the things when you really don't want to get and look at, let me show you. Okay, so it's this thing right here. Ugh, it's like secret agent case, sophisticated James Bond box. Let me show you what's in this. All right, so case number 3. And we only got like 30 seconds on this because this is going to self-destruct. So in this box, I have the Avata 2, goggles 3, batteries, a radio controller I've used once, and the Motion RC, I don't know, the newest one. Yo, this is a great quad for them days. Like, you don't want to put in a lot of effort. You just want to kick back and kind of like glide through some pretty scenery or let your friends see what it's like to fly FPV. And with this, you feel kind of like a fighter pilot using a joystick to fly a jet. All right, so now you know what I'm packing. Tell me in the comments what you're packing. And you know, as usual, like and subscribe. You know the drill. Liking and subscribing is a free way to support the hobby at no cost. So we're going to wrap it up. I'm going to keep this short and sweet because I'm going to go gorilla whooping today. I might hit a mall. I might hit an arcade. I don't know, but you're going to have to stay tuned to the next episode to see where I went. And I'm going to hit some really sick locations, so be sure to tune in next time. And as always, thanks for supporting AGL. I'll catch you next time.